Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up the Do Not Disturb mode on your Xiaomi Robot Vacuum X20 Max. To do it, click on three dots in top right corner, then find DND period. Now you can enable it and set the starting time and the ending time. And as it says right here, it will lower the voice volume and turn off the light indicators. That will not be emptied automatically, and the scheduled cleanups will not happen. Drying will not be interrupted, so it will still dry even if the DND is on, but it's quiet. Drying is quiet, and after the Do Not Disturb period, the robot vacuum will resume the cleanup task where it left off. So that's great, because when it starts a cleaning task, let's say at 9 p.m. and you have the starting time set to 10 p.m. and it isn't able to finish before that, then it'll just resume it after the ending time. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.